In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 30 to 35% off Tangem products. This is a limited time offer. It could be good for a couple hours, could be good for a couple days, but it will go away quickly. The first thing I'm going to show you is if this is the first time you're buying from Tangem, you'll get this little pop-up here, submit your email, and you'll get a 5% off code. And it is stackable. You can use it with other promo codes. So go ahead and submit your email. The next thing we're going to do is go shopping for their products and hit click Tangem. And you'll see here that they have 4 options: 3 card sets, 2 card set, a family pack, which is basically 2 3-card sets, and the Tangem ring, which comes with 2 cards. Now, the one I'm going to recommend is the 3-card set, because to do things like reset your password, reset your wallet on another phone, you need 2 cards to do that. If you get 3 cards, then you have 1 extra card you can put with a safe, put with a family member. And that way, if you lose one or one gets destroyed, then you're still cool. As you see here, the price is $69.90. And the first thing we're going to do is there happens to be 2 different card designs that are on sale. So they're looking to get rid of some of these. So the first one is the ramen design, which is actually a cat eating ramen noodles. And then also the American flag. And you'll see as soon as you select one of these, your price now is $59.90. So you save 10% right off the bat. Now what you want to do is go down to the promo code area. And I'm going to give you a promo code. It is Secure My Crypto. And then you hit apply. And that can be uppercase or lowercase, one word, Secure My Crypto. You hit apply, and now the price is $47.92. And then if you want to buy 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, the same discount applies to all of them. So it's a great time to buy Christmas presents, birthday presents. Now, when you go to purchase it, it's going to go to this checkout page. So just enter in your contact information, shipping address, your payment information. And then on the right, you can see here it says promo code. So if you have not entered the promo codes yet, or you have this newsletter, 5% off, you can enter it here as well. Shipping in the US is around 1 to 3 days, and it's around $7 to $8 for the shipping. But if you're on the edge and you want to buy a Tangem wallet, now is the best time to do it. Like I say, this deal will be done possibly tomorrow, but it may last for a few days. I don't know. So if you have any crypto friends or people in your family that are into crypto, I'm sure they would love to get a wallet as a gift. And now's the time to do it. Thank you.